Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokar, Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. As I am discussing personal identity, and this is the 21st lecture of this series, as we are discussing the parameters of age determination. And from the previous two lectures, I've started discussion the age estimation from teeth. And today, the contents of the talk will be that we'll discuss age estimation from permanent teeth. In the previous lecture, we discussed the temporary teeth, now the permanent teeth. The permanent or the secondary teeth, they are total 32 in number. So permanent teeth are 32 in number, 16 in each jaw. Their eruption starts first in the lower jaw, then in the upper jaw. And the sets of teeth remain in the jaw till the attainment of senility or the old age when they begin to fall. The permanent teeth eruption, it is as first molar is the first tooth to come first at the age of 6 to 7 years, then central incisor 7 to 8 years, then lateral incisor 8 to 9 years, first bicuspid, that is first premolar 9 to 10 years, second bicuspid or second premolar by the age of 10 to 11 years. So the bicuspid, they are called as premolars. Then the canines, they come in 11 to 14 years. Second molar 12 to 14 years, and third molar in 17 to 25, which is the wisdom tooth. Its age of eruption is quite variable. From 17 till 25, it may erupt, and sometimes it doesn't erupt also. So what is the design of permanent teeth? We can see they are labeled as MPCI. M for molar, P for premolar, C for canine, and I for incisors. So on the right side, on the left side, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2, 3, upper and the upper jaw. That means in upper jaw on the right side there are 3 molars, 2 premolars, 1 canine and 2 incisor on the right side, and 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molars on left side. And similarly in the lower jaw, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, that is the premolars, molars, canine and incisors. All they make 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. So total they are 32. And this is the chart we draw. 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars in each half right and left upper and lower jaw. And this is the diagram which is showing in the center, that is the central incisor, which appears in the 7 to 8 years, whereas the first tooth which comes is the first molar by the age of 6 to 7 years. Then 7 to 8 years central incisor, and 8 to 9 years lateral incisors, then canines by 11 to 12, 10 to 11, then first premolar, second premolar, 10 to 12, and then 12 to 13, second molar, and 17 to 21, up till 25, that is third molar or the wisdom tooth. Similarly, in the lower half, you can see the sets of teeth, the canines, the incisors, premolars and molars showing their age. So first tooth, permanent tooth, which appears in lower jaw, that is the first molar by 6 to 7 years. Then canines at the same time, 6 to 7 years in the lower jaw, then the upper jaw, canines, incisors. Then central incisor after that, then the lateral incisors, then the canines by 10 to 12, and then first premolar, second premolar, and uh, second molar and third molar. So this is the lower jaw showing the dental arrangement. So thank you very much. We will continue the study of teeth in the next lecture.